bumping, Molly stomping.
What's going YouTube? So today I'm going to show y'all how to get bombshell curls, maybe. I don't know what y'all want to call this, but we're going to look really cute by the end of this video. So make sure you follow each step I'm doing and get all the products I have for the results that I get. What was I going to say? I did an intro in so long. Hi, I'm Nye. Here we talk fast and go out vibes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to share, to tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend to come lit with us. Let's get into the video. So first things first, you're going to need some Lotta Body mousse and some orange flexi rods. In the beauty supply store, they're categorized by color, so make sure you get this exact color with these measurements. I started by clipping up the top of my hair and then separating the outskirts. Here I'm getting that hard to look at area and just clipping that away, and I'm going to start at the bottom. So we're just going to twirl this up and put a claw clip on it. Taking a decent amount of hair from the back part, I'm going to comb this through, and then we're going to put some Lotta Body mousse on there. Make sure you got your flexi rods. Gotta show you the flexi rods. These exact ones. Make sure you get these. We're going to put some mousse, and you're going to saturate the hair from top to bottom, working in that product. Feel free to comb the product through, but just make sure you're getting it all the way in. Like, your hair should be soaked. And when you're starting from the back, you're not starting with any of your leave out. We're going to get to that later on. 2 to 3 pumps of this mousse should be good, but depending on the density of your hair, you can add more. Add as much as you need and comb it through. Here you will see me taking the flexi rod and putting it behind the hair and making sure the hair is flat all the way around, twisting the end so it can stay, or you can do it like this by twisting the hair around the flexi rod. I personally don't like doing it like that. It's way more work and your curls aren't really as bouncy as it is if you laid it flat, but you could also do this. To secure your flexi rod, you're going to bend each end upward and squeeze it. Taking another small section, we're going to comb through it, put some mousse on there, work it all the way through the hair, moving the product from top to bottom, making sure there's a smooth surface. When we add the flexi rod, starting at the bottom, twirling it all the way up, clenching the ends inward. You're going to keep repeating these steps and laying the flexi rods as you see until you have covered your entire head. Continue watching to see how we will lay the flexi rods when we get to the leave out. As the back is completed, I'm moving on to the front, making sure my leave out is away from the section I am about to start messing with. This is the side part, so I'm just cutting this in half where it is by my ear, clipping that away from my face. When I am adding this mousse, I am adding it not to the root of my hair, but about an inch away, and just making sure my hair is flat. Work the product down and try not to take too long while doing this because your hair will curl up. Starting the flexi rod at the bottom and twisting all the way to the top. Here I'm making sure the ends of my hair is not popping out of any sort. So I'm making sure I'm going very slow when starting off this flexi rod. Also, I have layers in my hair, so it's a little wonky. If you have any flyaways, just add a little bit more mousse as you go.
When I wake up, girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Oh yeah, cause Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my ear, I mix my liquor. Fuck them other niggas, yeah. Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my ear, I mix my liquor. Don't be fucking other niggas when you're so can wait. Yeah, you know, 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 baby, so can wait. I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'ma love you tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on
Make sure you're grabbing some of your leave out as well as the hair, putting mousse on both of them but not too close to your root, working the product from top to bottom. And you are going to lay the flexi rod the exact same and follow the exact same steps here.
No, yeah. And I promised you a good time. Is it a good time? No, you keep it up. Can you wait? No, I need it. Can you wait? Party. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. It's been months, it's been two.
When you get to the front of your hair, you're going to make sure you are adding mousse about 1.5 inches from your scalp. And you can trace the flexi rod down with your hair. Like I said, I do have layers, so it was a little hard trying to get all the flyaways down at once. But you'll start at the end and then you'll trace it all the way back to the top, putting the flexi rod behind and adding mousse as need be to keep those flyaways down.
You got a better place for you to live, and a better place for you to be. Oh, baby, I'm honest. Please can't says that you're mad when I'm on it. Running through the city, and you know that I'm on it. Oh, Heatless and me, there's your remedy. Baby, would you fuck with me? Fuck with me, fuck with me.
Okay, girlies, please, 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 please put a bonnet on when you're going to sleep. A scarf didn't work. I tried it before that, but just put the biggest bonnet you have on top of your flexi rods and seal the deal. You can sleep normally, or if you want this hairstyle same day, you can sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes and you'll be good to go. This is me the next morning. I didn't put any heat on my hair as of yet until we, hit the leave out. When taking out your flexi rods, be very gentle. Undo the ends and then work backwards. So just unravel it as you go, as you see I'm doing. Don't just yank them out or try to pull them.
Baby, oh, take me if I lie. I gonna lie. You gonna make her right. 2 gonna make no right. Fuck that, baby girl. 3 wrongs don't make no right. 4 wrongs don't make no song. 5 songs don't make that long.
This right here is the holy grail. This is an edge booster stick, and the scent, I think pomegranate. It doesn't matter what scent you have, but I use that, put it on all my leave out at the root, and then I go back in with a hot comb and I'm just able to go through one pass and my hair is fully flat. This is how you get that fresh silk press look for your leave out. When you're doing this, do not go fully through your hair. Just tap the root and move down. Here I'm mapping out my edges and how I want them to look and separating my sideburns from the rest of my hair. With my mini flat irons, I am curling them upward and letting them cool for a second. This will help your edges get the fluffy look. Using this ebon lace bond, I'm spraying my edge brush and molding my edges how I want them to be. I'm going to go over any edges I'm leaving out, and this just happens to be the top and the side. Then I'm going to go in with my ebon, putting a little bit on my finger and just tapping it on the very root and then swooping them again. You can go in circular motions just to get whatever, consistency you want until you like how your edges look. I go in one more time with some lace bond and do it again for the sideburns. Now I am taking a wide tooth comb and just running it through all my curls. Doing this will get your hair that volume that you want and really bring together the final look. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be back with many more. Until the next time, bye guys.
weed, good sex, good neck, etc. Hoes lead, hoes cold, and hoes trifling. God bless it. Bad bitches sitting there, they make it sound good, make it sound good. Snakes was in the garden and it's not all good, cause the town's good. I ain't gotta preach to you, nothing like a leech, nigga. I ain't gotta leech to you. Oh, I'm proud of it, sitting on a cloud of it.